So, are you tired of spending hours manually adding subtitles to your videos? Say goodbye to the tedious task of line-by-line captioning. With Canva's new features, you can now create free and automatic subtitles in just a few clicks. Imagine transforming your videos into accessible content effortlessly. What you can do is you can head over and then go and become a seasoned content creator or just starting out. This tool will make it easy and fast for you to enhance your videos with engaging caption. So let's dive into it on how you can elevate your video editing game with Canva with this free and automatic video subtitles. So to do that, head over to canva.com and then go right here to the video option. Now, once you have done that, you can see in here some formats. It can be a video of 1080p, mobile video, Facebook video, Instagram, and a lot more. So for example, let's choose in here this YouTube video option. Now, once it's been chosen, this will direct you to the actual page of your Canva. So we now have this. So for example, let's just upload on Canva our actual video. Let's click on uploads and click on this upload files. Now for this one, let's just select the video that we want to use. For example, let's use this Ultimate Canva Tips and Tricks. So for this one, as you can see, it will be uploaded. So it will take some time for this to actually be uploaded as well. So what you can do is you can just drag and drop it once it's done. While it's processing, you can still do it as well. And here it is. So let's resize it in order to fix that. Now from in here, what we can do is we can resize it into the full potential of it. So let's actually resize it until it encapsulates all of the slide right here. And once it's done, you can see it if it's already finished uploading or not. While it's uploading, you can head over and click on that particular part or this particular video that we have added. As you can see, this video is around 10 minutes. So for example, you're just planning to upload a portion of it, you can just trim it right here. So in order to make this smaller or shorter, I will trim it into parts. Take note that you can still generate the caption for the whole video if you would want to. As you can see, I have trimmed it around 30-second mark. So let's head back right here to our actual Canva video. Let me close this one for a little while. And then let's head back to the start of the. Now that we're here, the next thing we need to do is just click onto this text option. Now you can see in here this text box, this default text styles. So what we can do is we can just scroll down from in here, and in here you can see this dynamic text option. Now we have here the captions. So you can click on the captions right here and you can just select the video to caption. So since we already uploaded in here our video, you can just head over and then just select that and then utilize this captions option. We have in here all the videos which we have actually chosen earlier. And then from in there, click onto this generate captions right here. Now from in there, this will load for a little while in order to add the templates or the actual text that you want. For example, you can add some logos as well as colors that you want to use for this as well. So in here, you can edit that out. So from in there, just wait this out until it's done with the loading process. Now as you can see, it's loading. So just wait it out until it's done. Now, once it's done, the window will disappear right here and we can now see the captions. You can also click on this captions option in order to see this whole caption on this particular page. So, as you can see, it gives us this and you can see that these captions are actually correct and they don't have any misspelling or grammatically incorrect captions that actually been generated by other poor AI. So let's try playing this. You can see in here the captions. So here's our captions right there. So if you want to edit that out, you can click on to that part. And then we have in here this automatically selected effects. So for example, let's try to change the font style used. So for example, let's use this Fiala 1 regular, you can click on that, and then as you can see here it is. So you can also move it below. So for example, let's move it right here. And then you can move it around. And then for this one, you can also change the color for that. So as of right now, the color that we have for that is white. This because we have the background of purple. So you can also change that out. In order to change that, you can head over to the effects of the caption itself. So here's the effects right here, and we have the background effect. For example, you don't want that, you just want an outline. You can click on it right here, and then you can change up the color of the outline that you want. So let's choose black outline, and then let's increase the thickness of that outline, and now it looks like this. I'll just zoom in so you can see what it looks like right now. Now, if you don't want an outline, you can still choose from shadow, from lift, from hollow, from splice, and as well as echo, glitch, neon, and anything that you can see right here onto the effects. I'll just stick with the black outline and thick outline right here, just like this one. So here's my caption right now. It's actually automatically updated to each caption that has been generated. Now, you can actually just animate it as well. So, for example, let's click on this animate option and you can create an animation for that element that we have selected. So, this element that we have selected. So, for example, let's choose in here this fade and you can see what it looks like. You can also choose rise, breathe, or anything that you want to use for this. So, for example, right here, let's choose in here something like the wipe right here. Let's click on it and you can see this. Now it will be up also be updated on each captions that we have right here on this page. And then it will actually be uploaded onto that as well. Do take note that the captions generated on Canva can also be explored or exported once you have actually want to save this. So let's head over and click on the captions we have right here. So if you're unsatisfied with this caption, you can click on this captions button and then you can click on which one you want to actually edit. So for example, you want to remove this so you can head over and then remove that. And as you can see, it's been edited. So you also have the option to delete the captions that you want by clicking onto this trash icon and they will automatically be timed accordingly. And you don't need to edit out anything anymore. This because Canva uses the advanced AI technology to generate these accurate captions that they have for you. Now, the only downside that I can see with this is they don't have those interactive actions. What I pertain to that is the captions that has sort of a life like a karaoke that points out to which word you're actually saying. But overall, the accuracy of this particular captions that has been generated is already top notch and you can use it for free as well, even if you're on the Canva free plan or personal plan. You don't need to be a Canva pro to use this or Canva education. So you can just utilize it to your liking and you can use it to edit out some videos that you want to post. Take note as well that you can utilize it in how much long that you want. So it can be a very long video and you can still apply those captions. Take note that on long videos, it may take some time to process. You just need to upload them all together. As you can also see, they don't need some credits to generate those captions. So you can head over and use it freely accordingly. Now, if you want to export this video, you can click onto the share icon. And then from in there, you can see these options. Click onto this download option. We have in here the MP4. So we have in here that you can export it in the high quality video. And take note that you can export it around 1080 pixels because the 4K needed the Pro plan or education plan already. So it's the as far as it can go on the free plan. Or if you have a paid plan, you can export it up to 4K. For this one, I'll just head over and then do that and then click on this download option right here in order to process this. Now, this may take some time to download since this is actually a very big video. So you can just wait for that out and it will actually download it for you with the captions that you have generated. So that's all for today. And if you're interested to any more Canva tips and tricks, then you can head over and then go subscribe to our channel because we provide those insightful Canva tutorials. I also left you a little treat something onto the description below. You can head over and then click on that. I give you a free template that you can choose for your own personal gain. So that's all there is today and see you on the next one.